New microphone. Who's this? Hey guys and girls, a long time no see. I'm currently taking a break from my upload schedule to deal with my health. I will dedicate a video to that when I'm fully back, but that of course does not mean the nerding stopped. I'm proud to announce that I partnered up with the good folks of SpaghettETH, a crypto conference in beautiful Naples. Before I explain more, it's already next week. Set your reminders, even if you're not in Italy. I'll explain why. I've worked at or for a lot of crypto events over the years, but never officially as Cursed Mining. So I'm very happy to bring you some stuff. I'll take over the live stream for one of two stages for the event. So yes, the whole 3 days of the stage will also be live streamed here on the channel. I can let more interesting people than me speak, while I'll be handling the cameras and hanging out in the live chat with you folks. It is the Volcano stage, but that stage is also the workshop stage, which I like, things to learn. I know some speakers, not all of them, so we will be surprised together. If you are not up for 3 days full of talking, I'll of course edit and upload ones I find interesting as well. Furthermore, I have some tickets too. It's a bit too short notice for a proper giveaway, but if you were unsure about if you should go or not, or are in the area, hit me up in my email that is in the channel about. The first 4 people to do so can get a ticket for free. Again, if you cannot go, you can watch the event from the comfort of your couch as well. That's what I wanted to tell you today and give a little life sign. Happy to work with those kind people. I know the organizers from other crazy ventures, so glad to collaborate on this one with our own babies, so to say. Currently trying my best to get fit for the event to bring you content from there. Also, of course, the hoarding of tech and shiny things never stop. So there is much I want to show you. For once in my life though, I decided that I need to get better first before jumping back in, instead of constantly living a roller coaster. He says while preparing for a crypto event, but you know what I mean. We try our best. Much love to everyone watching. Thank you for your support. Keep your eyes out for the live streams starting from the 24th of May, and see you soon. I wish all the best to each and every one of you. Happy mining and bye!